Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock ads on Facebook Reels. First, your Facebook page must meet specific eligibility criteria. This includes adhering to all content monetization policies and maintaining a good standing within the community. Your Reels content should be original, high quality, and engaging to your audience. Meeting these foundational requirements is the crucial first step toward monetizing your short-form video content on the platform, ensuring a smooth journey ahead. Once eligible, the next step is to set up your monetization tools. Head over to your professional dashboard on your Facebook page. From there, locate the monetization section to review your status and available options. You will need to link a secure payout account to receive any earnings. Carefully review and accept the program's terms and conditions. This process typically takes only a few minutes, preparing your page to earn from your creative reels. To maximize your ad revenue, focus on creating compelling reels. Produce high-quality, short-form video content consistently, aiming for videos under 90 seconds. Utilize trending audio and popular effects to increase your reel's visibility and reach a broader audience. Engage your viewers with interactive elements such as polls or questions. Posting regularly, perhaps 3 to 5 times a week, helps grow your viewership and keeps your audience coming back for more engaging content. Finally, it is essential to monitor your Reels' performance and earnings. Use Creator Studio to track key metrics like reach, views, and engagement. Regularly analyze these insights to understand what resonates best with your audience. You can view your estimated earnings within the payout section of your professional dashboard. Adjust your content strategy based on this valuable data, continuously optimizing your Reels for better performance and increased ad revenue over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.